Hello and welcome to this little tutorial. I want to show you how to create an interactive bridge which opens when you press a certain button. So let's first create some space here. And this will be our little gap to cross. This is actually the local development version of Manyland, so I'm not destroying anyone's property. Let's first start to draw a little solid bridge, but since we want the bridge to be invisible for starters, we need to create the walkable solid as an interactive motion. So let's first create this interacting motion. That's a little button I don't need. I want to have a interactive motion. So first I click on interacting, then I click on change. Now I will draw a little bridge. Just give it a small sample image here. There's just for testing. Hit C, hit V to paste it into the second cell because I don't need any animation. Now I'm pressing the button H, the key H on my keyboard. Maybe tint it a bit green, a bit blue. Maybe this brownish tone is okay. And this is my bridge, but it's the solid state of the bridge, and I want to make sure to click the attributes to make it solid. And I want to add a long attribute so that it will show for some more seconds. Okay. Hit save. I can't directly place this bridge because it's just a motion. Now I want to create an invisible interacting, which is the actual bridge, but it's not showing because it's just waiting to be activated. Do I need any attributes? No, this is all fine. But I want to make sure if this bridge sees a button activates, then it will change to the motion bridge solid. To have the invisible bridge understand what is meant when I say bridge solid, I need to include this bridge solid into this side panel of included items. Okay, that's all. I hit save. I place my invisible bridge over the gap. Oops, as you can see there's a little title appearing below the bridge. I don't want this to appear. So what I do is I clone it again. I click the attributes and I will tick the unnamed option. Save again, delete my old, and place it again. By the way, if you want to see certain invisible or hard to spot elements, just click on area events and then click the show button. And now you can see there's a bit of sparkle on top of this interacting, even though it's invisible. Now obviously I'm falling through because interactings are not solid by default, but my little interactive motion is solid. So how do I activate it? I just need an activator. Let me create a small sample graphic. Just a little button like this. I call it, no, I need to call it button because that's what I called it in my interacting code. And I give it the type activator because this will send the message activates. I put it on the ground, and now when I jump on it, after a second or so, you will see the bridge appear and I can walk over it. If I just stand here and I wait a few seconds, you will see me falling through again because the bridge starts to disappear again. There you go. Now what if I want this button to be a bit smarter? Maybe I want it to be listening to a password that I need to speak for the bridge to open. So let me clone this, but now I will change it from type activator to type interacting. Now I'm using control arrow keys, center it a bit, and this is my little password requiring button, so I will draw a P on it. Doesn't have any animation, but it does have some code, and it will ask for a passphrase. Here's hello world, which will be our password. So when it when anybody speaks the phrase hello world near it, it will do something, which is always preceded by a slash, do something. And what will it do? It will send an activates message. Okay. Now, dragging this here, you can see it's the smart button. Nothing happens when I just jump on it. But now I'm supposed to say something. Let me start by saying the wrong thing. Hello? No, that doesn't work. I need to say hello world. Once I've said this, the bridge will appear. So that's this could be a little robot, a smart lever, some person that you give something to before the bridge opens, or anything you can think of really. And that's the little tutorial on how to create a interactive bridge. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.